The neo-retro motorcycle segment is alive and thriving in 2025, and two of the most compelling entries this year are the Yamaha XSR900 and the Ducati Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro. Both motorcycles blend modern technology with classic styling, offering performance, character, and a lot of charisma. But while they may share the same nostalgic appeal, their execution differs significantly. One brings Japanese engineering precision with a sporty edge, and the other delivers Italian flair with a relaxed but muscular personality. Here's a detailed 800-word comparison to help you decide which retro-modern machine deserves a spot in your garage. Styling and design. Yamaha XSR900. The 2025 Yamaha XSR900 continues its evolution as a sleek, minimalist neo-retro machine. Inspired by Yamaha's racing heritage from the 1980s, the XSR900 fuses vintage cues with thoroughly modern aesthetics. The round LED headlamp, brushed aluminum tank panels, and sculpted tail give it a bold, muscular look. It's a motorcycle that appeals to riders who appreciate subtlety over flamboyance. Ducati Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro. Ducati's Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro, on the other hand, takes a more classic approach with an unmistakably Italian flavor. The wide handlebar, twin underseat exhausts, and teardrop tank with retro badging harken back to the 1970s. The blacked-out color scheme, premium detailing, and low-slung seat combine vintage aesthetics with a hint of Street Fighter aggression. It's a head-turner for riders who want to blend heritage with attitude. Engine and performance. Yamaha XSR900. At the heart of the XSR900 is Yamaha's exceptional 890 cubic centimeters CP3 inline-3 engine, producing 117 horsepower and 93 newton-meters of torque. It's lively, eager to rev, and has a broad torque curve that makes it both thrilling and accessible. The triple-cylinder configuration provides a unique blend of low-end grunt and top-end scream, ideal for spirited riding. Yamaha's quickshifter up/down, slipper clutch, and ride-by-wire throttle add to its sporty appeal. Ducati Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro. The Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro features a 1,079 cubic centimeters L-twin engine, delivering 86 horsepower and 88 newton-meters of torque. While it lacks the sheer horsepower of the XSR900, it makes up for it with a torquey, soulful delivery that shines at mid-range RPMs. The engine is air-cooled, giving it a more traditional and visceral character. It feels raw and connected, which appeals to purists who value feel over figures. It also comes with a 6-speed gearbox and standard Ducati traction control DTC. Chassis and handling. Yamaha XSR900. The XSR900 is built around a lightweight aluminum delta box frame with a short wheelbase, resulting in nimble and precise handling. The fully adjustable KYB suspension at both ends provides a composed and confidence-inspiring ride, whether you're slicing through canyons or navigating city traffic. The radial-mounted front brakes with dual 298mm discs offer strong stopping power. The bike weighs around 193 kilograms wet, making it easy to flick through corners. Ducati Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro. The Ducati's steel trellis frame and longer wheelbase provide stability, but it's not as razor-sharp as the Yamaha. It's more relaxed and planted, favoring sweeping curves over tight switchbacks. However, with fully adjustable Hlinz suspension front and rear, the ride quality is top-notch and plush. At 206 kilograms wet, the Scrambler is a bit heavier, but it remains manageable, especially in urban settings. Technology and features. Yamaha XSR900. The 2025 XSR900 is packed with modern tech, including a full-color 5-inch TFT display, multiple ride modes, lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, and cruise control. Yamaha's IMU-based electronic suite makes it one of the most technologically advanced bikes in its class. The TFT screen is intuitive and easy to navigate, giving the bike a distinctly premium feel. Ducati Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro. Ducati keeps things simpler but effective. The bike features a basic LCD display, Ducati traction control, DTC, cornering ABS by Bosch, and ride modes. active, journey, city. While it lacks the visual polish of Yamaha's TFT, the Scrambler's interface is straightforward and focused. It retains a raw, analog spirit while still offering enough modern safety aids to inspire confidence. Comfort and practicality. Yamaha XSR900. Despite its sporty chassis, the XSR900 is surprisingly comfortable for daily rides. The upright bars, slightly rear-set pegs, and plush seat make it a solid commuter and weekend twisty warrior. Wind protection is minimal, but the ergonomics are balanced enough for short touring stints. Ducati Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro. The Ducati's ergonomics are even more relaxed, with a lower seat height and a more neutral riding position. It excels in city traffic and low-speed cruising, making it ideal for urban dwellers. The seat cushioning is firm but supportive, and while it's not a touring bike, it can comfortably handle medium-distance rides. Pricing and verdict. Yamaha XSR 900 MSRP, $10,500. The Yamaha XSR 900 offers tremendous value. For under $11,000, you get a high-performance engine, cutting-edge electronics, and beautiful retro-inspired styling. It's ideal for riders who want a sporty ride with heritage looks. Ducati Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro MSRP, $14,000. The Ducati Scrambler 1100 Sport Pro, while more expensive, appeals to riders who prioritize character, brand prestige, and premium components like Hlin's suspension. It's a soulful machine with timeless appeal, perfect for laid-back cruising with flair.